All right, guys, I'm at Panera right now, so it's going to be a little bit noisy, but we talked about ChatGPT in training today, and I wanted to show you a little bit about what it's capable of doing. So let's pretend you're a real estate agent. That's a big stretch for pretending, I know, but let's pretend you're a real estate agent that wanted to develop a geographic farm. You wanted to be the go-to for this real estate neighborhood, and you know that it sells about 10% every year. So first thing that we're going to do in this little prompt is say, create a 12-month touch point campaign for a real estate agent marketing to a neighborhood in a conversational tone. Okay, because you wanted to sound like a human. So look, here we go. Month 1, introduction email and postcard, introducing the agent to the neighborhood, highlighting their experience and expertise in the local market. 2, follow-up phone call to gauge interest from the neighborhood. Month 3, host a neighborhood open house to showcase a recently listed property. 4, send a monthly newsletter to the neighborhood on market trends and recent sales. Host a neighborhood barbecue, send a postcard, reach out to residents who have shown interest in the past, offer a complimentary home valuation to residents, host a home buying seminar to provide valuable information, send another postcard of list of homes for sale in the neighborhood, reach out to residents who have shown interest. Month 12, follow-up call to the neighborhood, check in any residents to see if they're interested. Okay, great. Now, let's say you worked a bridal show, okay? Create a 12-point follow-up plan for a realtor who had a booth at a bridal show for first-time buyers in a conversational tone. Okay, create a 12-point email. How about that? Follow-up plan. All right, let's see what it comes back with. Day 1, send a thank you email. Who visited your booth? Day 3, send an email with tips on how to prepare for buying your first home. Day 7, follow up with an email containing testimonials. Day 14, send an email with a list of properties currently available in the area. Offer a complimentary home valuation. Obviously, this is if they had a house, but something else. Day 28, send an email about local first-time homebuyer programs. Day 35, follow up with a personalized email. Day 42, send an email of upcoming open houses and invite them to come. Offer complimentary consultation. Day 56. Okay, so it's going through one by one by one by one. So one of these says, send an email with tips. And you're like, I don't know how to send an email with tips. So you take this, you copy it, you put it right here and say, write an email with tips and negotiation for purchasing your home for a first-time home buyer in a fun tone. This time we're going to do a fun tone and a friendly tone. Tips and tricks for smooth home buying experience. Hi, blah, blah. Hope this finds you well. As a first-time buyer, the process of buying a home can be overwhelming and confusing, but don't worry. I'm here to make it as smooth as possible and stress-free. Here are some tips and tricks to navigate the negotiation process. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Doodly doodly do. 2, have a clear idea of what you can afford. Before you start looking, it's good to know what you can afford. Help narrow this down in your search so you don't fall in love with a home that's out of your price range. 3, get a pre-approved for a mortgage. So it's sitting here doing all the work for you. Literally doing, I mean, yes, you'll have to add your voice into some of these places, but look at it. You guys can do this for cold opens to divorce attorneys. Let's do that. Wherever your brain goes for a niche that you want to develop, you can develop the entirety of the plan with this. So write a fun, cold open email as a realtor to divorce attorneys to market your services. Okay, let's see what it comes back with. Partnering for a fresh start. Hi, hope this finds you in the midst of closing some big cases and sipping well-deserved cup of coffee. I know the field of divorce law can be tough and emotionally taxing, but also incredibly rewarding to help people move on with a fresh start. Speaking of fresh starts, that's where I come in. I'm a local realtor specializing in helping people process of buying and selling a home during or after divorce. As a partner in helping your clients move on to the next chapter in life, I would love to work with you in making that transition as smooth as possible. I understand that the sale and purchase of a home through a divorce can be a sensitive, difficult process, but my expertise and experience, look, it's doing it faster than I can read it. You guys, this is incredible. So decide on your niche and just ask it to do the things. Whatever your niche is, create a 12 touch point plan for blah as a real estate agent. Write those emails in a conversational tone. And then here's the other thing. Write a blog post as a realtor for people selling their home in divorce and make it sound like a human wrote it. Here it is. You guys, this is mind-blowing. Whatever you want to do, I want to help you navigate through this. It has taken this just quick video is hours of time off of your schedule where it's doing the work. You could have written this exact question, write a blog post as a realtor for people selling their home in divorce and make it sound like a human wrote it that will rank high for SEO. And then you will be the natural go-to when the little Google bots go through your website, that it'll populate you higher up on their search results. So the thing is, over and over and over again, we're told, make content, but like, what in the world do you do? This is doing it for you. This is doing it for you. Let me do one more so I can show you an example. Create blog headlines that will rank high for SEO for a realtor showcasing their city. All right, ready? Here you go. Because what people are doing are searching in this way on Google. What's the best neighborhood to buy in Grand Rapids? What's the hottest market in Grand Rapids? Realtor Grand Rapids, right? They're doing these things. Hidden gems Grand Rapids. And then you have it created. Literally take this. Hold on one second. Take this and have it write it. You just say, write Grand Rapids. We'll have to fix that. Growing communities blog that will rank high for SEO, and it sounds like a human wrote it. All right, look, here it goes. One more thing we'll type in here, just for funsies, create 12, look, it's just gonna do what I told it to do, and it's doing a great job. Create 12 email subject lines from a realtor to first time home buyer online cold leads. All right, let's see what it comes up with for this. Hold on, it's got to finish doing this thing before it can go to the next. Hold please, friends, hold please. They're writing a really good blog here. Like, that's way more than I would have come up with probably. There it goes. All right, and then after this, you would put in a call to action on your blog where fill out the form here to get started. Man, they are really going to town about this blog. Okay, there it is. All right, last one, create 12 email subject lines from a realtor to first-time homebuyer online cold leads that will have a high open rate. The worst thing is if you send an email and only 2 people open it, right? And you put these in the subject line and people are going to open them. Hopefully. This is based on artificial intelligence, what they've gone out and searched on the internet, things that will rank high in native human language. All right. I hope this has given you guys some ideas on how to start using this technology. It's absolutely incredible. If you have a niche, if you need systems, it has developed an entire lead funnel for me for a brand new lead source that I'm looking to explore. Whatever it is, I want to help you do it. Let's talk about it in your business planning, or let's just schedule a time to talk about it. This is incredible technology that can help you in your business.